The first thing I did when looking at the problem was notice that they gave me these zeros for the first derivative, which were x equals -3 and x equals 5. So that told me that there is a minimum or a maximum at both those points. Part B was the second derivative, and it said that when the second derivative equals 0, x equals 1. So that tells me that there's a point of inflection at x equals 1. And then part C tells me that the second derivatives for f of -3 and f of 5, -3 is positive and 5 is negative. So because that -3 is positive, we know that it's concave up, and 5 is negative, so it is concave down. So that tells me back to part A that 5 is going to be the max because it's concave down, and 3 is going to be the minimum because it's concave up. So when I go to the graph, I make a note near x equals -3, x equals 5, and 1 where the point of inflection is. And you can't really find the y values from this data, so the height of the mountains don't really matter. So I just drew a smooth curve, changing concavity at 1 into the max at 5 and back down. And I think that's it. So thank you, and I'm done.